makakuha siya ng at least 3 correct answers, bibigyan siya ng free color. I-roll niya ang first DRM even before mag-start ang 60 seconds. After ng rapid rumble, sisimulan na ang actual rainbow reveal. Kailangan bumaba muna ang die before mag-move on ang rally winner to the next DRM. Kapag pumulit na ang color, pwede mag-move on muna sa next DRM ang rally winner. Kapag di lumabas na unique color, kailangan balikan ang skip DRM. Sa bawat unique color na lumabas within the time limit, makakakuha ang roughly ng additional 5,000
we're not gonna use it. Muna. Wait, let it go.
In any order in the time limit, mananalo siya ng 1 million pesos.
Okay, sa ngayon, Sir Richard, kailangan mag-roll ng 6 na DRM in 60 seconds. Pero pwede magkaroon ng isang free roll by answering our 6 rapid rumble questions. 3 out of 6 lang ang kailangan masagot. Pwede sagot ko, yung hinahanap natin ng 3 out of 6, magbibigay kami ng isang free roll outside of 60
Yes.
At tandaan, you have 3 seconds to answer each question. Kung ano yung una mong sasabihin, yun lang ang aming tatanggapin. Ready, senyor? Here are rapid rumble questions.
Is it even saksak?
Yeah.
Saan matatagpuan ang emergency room? Hospital. Correct.
Just slam it like this.
Hospital!
You're not showing what I'm doing.
Saan
You're not showing what I'm doing.
Snow Festival?
Just in case it doesn't like to make,
Kompletuhin.
just press
Ang
here.
dalawang modulation sa radyo ay AM at
And
black.
then while you're waiting, you just mix this
Ano ang
in case if you
kauna-unahang
want to make
published
another one.
newspaper sa Pilipinas?
El filibusterismo.
Wrong. Sinong Filipino chef ang creator ng
La Soledad.
Dubai
Board,
Chocolate
so
Bar?
I wanna check if it's done.
Ako.
It's almost done. You just
But I think it seems
Sino ang
lack of
pinakaunang babaeng senador sa
So we
Pilipinas?
just need to wait for a bit more minutes and if you want, if
Time's up
chocolate
at
is your
dyan
favorite,
nagtatapos ang rapid
shell
rumble
instead
question.
of chocolate bars. So we need to blend them and it will take like 1 hour or something. I don't know.
Una,
Or 1
balikan natin
minute.
saan
And then
matatagpuan
I
ang
don't check what's
emergency room sa
happening.
ospital, saan pinagdiriwang
And
ang
it's
Tigao
ready,
Festival,
it's ready.
sa Tigaon,
It's ready, it's
Camarines
ready.
Sur.
It's not ready. Why is it?
Kompletuhin ang dalawang
why is it
modulation,
sitting
nandiyan
up
ang
like that?
AM at FM.
Close.
Sa una-unahang published newspaper sa Pilipinas, Del Superior,
Get one
Del
spoon.
Superior Gobierno.
One spoon? The spoon
Nutella,
is
for
here.
Nutella.
Gobierno. Sinong Filipino
Oh my
chef
God.
ang
Can you
creator
check on
ng
it?
viral
Can you
na
check
Dubai
on it?
Chocolate Bar? Si Noel Catis? Yes. O si Noel Catis o Mamalit? Sino pinakaunang babaeng senador sa Pilipinas? Ang hinahanap natin, si Jeronima Tumendel Pecson. Siya ang hinahanap natin. Okay? Thank you very much. Tawagin na natin.
Done. Later na, this is a plain waffle, okay? Or remove it na.
Richard, kailangan mag-settle of 50 muna ang die bago ka mag-move on sa next DRM natin. Para ganito na lang, para madali, antayin mo ang cue call to move on to the next DRM. Kung sakasakali man, same color ang lumabas, i-on mo lang, tawid ka muna sa next DRM.
There, that's
Pag
the
unique
first
color
one
na,
we're gonna
pwede mo
make.
nang balikan.
In case you want to make another one, you just need it.
Forward,
Forward, so we're gonna be right back. Hello
Yeah.
guys, I just got my food. I'm gonna put a lot of water in this. I don't know how much water they put in this. Alright. And if you want to,
More.
I need more.
Dito, Sir Richard, balikan lang natin. Green, red, and
All the space.
At nandiyan ang blue. Hindi na magawa ang dalawang huling kulay. Yellow, purple ang hinahanap natin. 4 unique colors. Pagdadagdag pa tayo ng 20,000. Ang total ay 87,000 pesos.
Why is it not even showing the waffle machine? More down. More down. More up. More look. Why is it not seeing the waffle machine? No, there. Stay here.
It's fine. Get na doon. Yun na. Next. Next na.
Go. Why is it
Faster.
popping so much?
Oh my God. Put the chocolate. Put the Nutella.
is it not dropping? Drop! Dude! Drop. Can you just drop?
Close, baby loves. You need to drop it first.
I cannot drop it! There. Oh!
Tumatalsik ka pa. Huwag mo na lang yan dyan. Ba't ito walang ano?
Hindi, we just make separate. Sasabog na yan.
Want something to say?
Not yet.
It's enough na.
No, just make sure if I want to make another one. Why is it eating so much?
Why did you see this? Try to open it. You show it to them. What's happening to your water?
So, can you just show the wash? Can you just show the washing machine what's happening? It's halfway done, but it's not done. So, we just need to wait. Done? Oh, you're done.
More. More. A little time more.
So, we just need to wait more time. So, I think that's enough. I press it enough. Oh. That's it. It's okay. Okay na yan.
Hold it.
Hindi nakikita ba yun? Paano pa? Dito. Hindi.
So, this is...
Nakikita eh. Hindi nakikita.
You didn't see it,
Hindi
so
niya nakikita
it's...
to. Kasi ba yung video?
Can you... This is the camera.
Pause
Why
it
are you
again.
so bad at it? So, we're gonna put another button again.
Nakapuso.
No!
Okay.
You know the YouTube, that's the one. We're gonna put our button each way it last time. It was fucking like crazy. Kanina sa
Showcase nila ang mga exceptional talent nila.
Come on! Magsisimula na ang greatest little show on earth. First up, ang kinihopeful na kanandem ang kanyang daddy.
Meet the cool kid na pang big top ang sense of fashion.
Hello po, my name is Billy Lontayo. I'm 12 years old from Taguig City.
Kaya na pa kita nakikita din parang nakikita ko na isa kang fashionista. Tama ba?
Everything is ready.
Pero saan ka kumukuha
Because this is gonna fucking crazy.
Kay daddy po.
Yung daddy mo, yung cabinet niya, puro mga pang-ganito din na
Yes po.
bumibili ka na ng sarili mo.
Apo. Ito pong created po na pantas nakita ko po online. And then nagustuhan ko po.
Not ready, don't.
And then pinabili ko kay daddy.
Ang masasabi ko lang, pareho sila ng fashionista.
Don't say that.
Like father, like son.
Wow!
Ako, sabi ko
Alam mo,
yung ipulong yan. Itong gold, parang yun itong kadena, sabay ko lang nakikita.
Hello. So, white. Hello.
My name is Billy Lontayo. I'm 12 years old from Taguig City.
Bakit ka sumali ng Idol Kids, Bibi?
Sumali lang po for experience. Mentality ko kasi po.
Sabi ko, tapi.
Sali po ng sali sa contest.
Pangalang contest mo na to kung gano'n?
Tatlo ata po, pang-apat.
Bawat contest na sinasalihan mo, may natutulungan. Totoo mismo. Kwentuhan mo naman kami, anong ibang mga influence pa sa'yo ng mga magulang?
So yung mommy and daddy ko po, theater actors po sila. And yun po yung paparating po nilang pinagkakali na. So yun po, yung play po na yun, musical po siya. So kami po yung tatlo kakanta rin.
So, actors, ready?
Yes po.
Okay.
That is not ready.
Simula sa pinakataas na katapuan na nasabi ko pa na pumaba na palakpak at ibaligaw. Shake it, let's go.
Oh, that's ready. That's ready. That's hot. That's hot. Ready, guys.
Kahit na marami kang malasa na kabuti ko rin na wakmen mo, makaligala na mo, sige, shake it, let's go.
This is our turn, Mom. We're gonna make our last one. So, can you pause it? 2 seconds.
Feel na malagaw, pag yan mabati pa.
I'm just gonna add the butter. Just be careful with it.
dibdib ko naman, Billy. Pero di ba nakakakuha kasi sabi niya, parents niya nag-musical plays, theater. So, ina-expect ko, kundi magmamalaga na, no? Yes.
Biglang nag-lock na no?
But he can sing because I can hear, nag-a-admit pa nga eh.
Yung umpisa ng kanta, ano siya lang intro.
Wala.
Pero, kailangan nasa tono siya. So, sige ka ba? Yung pagpasok niya, nasa tono na kaagad. And that's impressive. I see talent here. I see talent. Not only I see, but I hear the talent as well.
Yeah. Well, for me, I see talent and I see Billy.
Oh my God.
Do you see me? I see a lot of people.
So many people in here, no?
Pero alam mo, Billy, ito lang masasabi ko. Yung influensya ng mga magulang mo sa'yo, kailangan mo pasalamatan yun. Kasi grabe yung epekto at naitulong sa talent mo na nakita namin ngayon.
Ano ba gusto mo maging? Gusto mo maging artist, singer, or actor?
So, actually po maging singer, dancer po, parang ganun.
Wala si Gary V. Gary V.
Grabe yung swing. Yes.
Wait!
At 12 years old, gusto ko na makita ko ito may bugo ka ikaw sa mga next round. So, shall we vote?
Sabay-sabay mo lang. Bilis ko matali Billy.
Chris, if you quit smoking, don't do that after mommy.
Congrats, Billy.
I'm just pressing it.
Dito ka tayo, ha?
It's making it faster. It's already done. 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 It's done.
Hindi na fashionista, magaling na vocalista.
Ito
ba ang ibang young acts na aabang in the ring tonight?
Natuwa ako kasi grabe yung showmanship mo habang kumakanta ka. Hindi ko ma-explain, pero meron lang siguro kung hinahanap or may gusto lang akong marinig na something pa from you.
Medyo wala sa tono ng konti. So medyo distracting din siya.
At para tayo announce
Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Gusto mo maging rocker? Hindi si Ate Yen? Hindi po. Sabi ko nga hindi. Opo, I do Latin dance sport po. Marunong din po ako magsalita ng konting French.
Naalala niyo yung mannequin challenge dati? Yun, gagawin natin. 3, 2,
They make 4 waffles.
dito pa rin sa 3-ring circus
Bye
ng
guys.
Ganda naman ang
Manikin
mannequin
pa
to.
siya eh. Huwag kayo nakikialam kasi yung mga...
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. I'm Rose. Wait.
I don't care, please.
Show your time.
And also,
Idol sa charisma at sa Girl and Mommy, may pangarap na pinaglalaban. They can be the best that they can be, just like our best ever CDO Idol Cheese Dog.
Look at
Our
that again.
cheesiest idol
this
ever.
is my waffles we made. So, bye bye guys. I hope you like and subscribe. So, bye bye.